Hello everyone. So I'm back with another video and this time it's going to be a Myntra haul. I have 6 to 7 tops under 350 rupees. So I hope you're excited. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start with my most favorite top. So it's this pink one. I have to say it's a very flattering top first of all, and it is not for like you can wear it for college, for going cafes, outgoing anything. And I got this top for almost 314 rupees, and I'll highly recommend this top because I think this is the best top from this haul. I really love it, and you can see it in the video also. It's actually really good, good quality. So if you see this material, this rib part is also very nice, and you can style it with jeans, skirt. I have styled it with skirt, but it's actually very good. You should really go for this top. Absolutely, it gets 10 out of 10 from my side. Okay, so the next top we have is this white one. It's actually from a style pass into slick, and I got this one for 370 rupees. And what I actually did not like this top because it is a polyester material and it's okay, but I got size S, but it literally sticks to your skin. Like, it's super tight. I have to say, if you want to go for this top, then you should size up because it's too tight. Like, I like my t-shirts to be little breathable. It's not like that. So it's literally on point. If your sizes, it will be very tight. So I'll say if you go for this, then size up. But what I have to say it is, it's very Pinteresty. It has like this bow detail lace. So if you really like this type of top and you're not like if you're comfortable with polyester material, then you should go for this. But if you're someone who does not like that material on you, then I don't think you'll like this. Top we have is this pretty pink one. It is very airy, breathable, and I got this one from Stylecast into Slick, and this one is for 312 rupees. What I have to say is there is no lining underneath, only the bust area has lining. Otherwise, everything else is a little bit see through, but you have to wear a spaghetti or like something underneath. Uh, but other than that, this is so airy. Like when I wore this for the first time, I did not feel like I'm wearing anything. So I definitely recommend you should go for this one. So these are the sleeves, and also it does have a chain, like this. So under this area, so that it will be not difficult to put on. So yeah. This top also get 5 out of 5 from me. You should definitely buy this one if this is your style. Overall, great top, great purchase. And yeah, go for it. Next up, we have this brown top. And what I did was, my size is S for all this top. So S was not available. So I was like, oh, I'll go for medium. It will be not like too much big for me. But I was wrong. It's actually not my size, so it's not fitting me properly. But I have to say this, if it was in my size, this top is so good. The material is proper cotton and so comfortable. Like you will not feel anything, like just so comfortable. I hope you're getting what I am saying. So if it's in your size and it's in stock, then please get it. It is super stylish. Uh, And yeah, I don't have any. And I got this one for 271 rupees. I think it's a steal deal. You should definitely go for this one. Uh, And for the bag, I think it is a little deeper, not too deep. I think you can wear this for college. And I have paired this one with brown heels, and I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, go for this one. It's also a 5 out of 5 from my side. Okay, so next up we have this blue top. It's not iron because I ordered this 2 months ago, but I think this top needs a shout out because this top is eatery, so comfortable, and the material is also soft. The color is so vibrant. Like if you wear this, I don't think you need any pop of color like a pair of blue jeans, and this top will literally make your day. Top we have is the one which I'm wearing, and I think I have to say this. This is the most comfortable full sleeve tops I have because this material is pure cotton. So the print on this top is all Pinteresty, and I got this top from 1 second. Okay, so I got this top for 262 rupees, and I think it's the most affordable top from this haul. The thing about this top is it's actually comfortable, pretty, and also affordable. So I think you should go for this. Please go for this top. I really love it, and I hope you also like it. And it is true to size. My size is S. I think I have said it 1,000 times. But this is my first haul. So I'm just lost. I hope you like this mall. And yeah. Okay, so my top recommendation for this fall will be this pink top. Okay. And this green top. And if you are confused which to buy, so my recommendation will be these two. They are like pretty good, comfortable. Yeah. Okay, so we come to the end of this haul. So this is my very first haul. So I hope you liked it. I blabbered a lot, and yeah. If you like anything, please comment. If you bought anything, please tell me that. I have given all the links in the description. And yeah, my size is everything. And also, I think I have to give a disclaimer that the prices of these tops also always varies on Myntra. But please just add this to your wish list and always check. Sometimes, like this top, once I saw this was for 999, and then after like 5 days this top was at 300 rupees. So just add this top to your wish list, and whenever you see the prices are slashed, just buy this. Don't buy this for like 900 and all, like this one also. This all prices are always fluctuating, so just add to your wish list, and if it's for like 300, then just buy this ones because these are pretty worth it. Yeah. Bye.